Hi friends, I'm here at another Repo damaged house. This house is about 1,500 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and it looked like it needs total renovation. The outside look like they have a new roof, so that will help out with our renovation. The neighborhood is pretty, it's nice. It's a lower middle income neighborhood. So let's go inside and take a look. Okay, before we get inside, let's take a closer look at the outside. You can see that the fascia and soffit need replacing. You have some steel rusted pole supporting the carport here, missing and chipping siding. The brick on the outside look pretty usable. You have some fencing that probably need to be replaced. So as far as the outside, we can manage. The brick just needs some cleaning and pressure washing to get rid of the molds. This house, they are asking $73,000 for this. The estimated market value for this house is about $275,000 based on 1,500 square feet and 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Okay, let's look at the inside. It looked like it's totally gutted with no electrical wiring, no nothing except the studs and the slab. So we need to price in everything with this house. The good thing is that the slab, the foundation seem pretty solid and even and level, and the studs inside looks good. So it can be a straightforward job. Now we have to estimate how much it would cost us to renovate a 1,500 3 bedroom, 2 bath house like this, fully gutted. Let me know what you think. If it's something that it's worth our effort. Now keep in mind, their asking price is $73,000. We never give them the asking price. Usually I submit my offer with 20, 30, 40, 50% down. 50% off, just to hear back from them and start the negotiation process. It never hurts to ask, and sometimes you get it. The more margin you get, the better, since you never know during the renovation, cost and labor tend to run higher than you expect. Let me know what you think below in comment to see what you think about this deal. Should you go for it? Should you negotiate with them? And at what price you think you can make money off of this? All right, take care, and I'll see you next time.